Well, let's do a back office review. How's that sound? You want to go and open up those doors and take a peek and see what this Save Club thing is all about, okay? Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel, okay? And that's all I got to say, and I mean it. All right, let's do it. Okay. Back office. What the heck does it look like if you're going to join as a member or an affiliate, okay? And what does that saveclubfunnels.com thing have to do with anything? Okay? Well, just memorize that. Now, I'm going to get back to it at the end of the video, okay? Now, saveclub.com, you log in, and there's a free app as well. And this is what it looks like if you want to check it out. I'm logged in the back office. This is what it looks like. And you hit the mobile app. And you see there? That little QR code. Go ahead and take a picture of that. If you're on your cell phone now, you can hit that orange button and it'll go directly to the Save Club app. Okay? Or if you're on a home computer or a laptop, go ahead and just take a picture of this QR code, this square, right now with your phone, and you'll see your screen. It'll pop up and you can hit a little button and it will go directly to the Save Club app. Now, you have to sign up, okay, and create an account. And like I said, the app is free, but still you have to log in to something. So you have to create an account with Save Club. Now, that doesn't mean you've joined as an affiliate and you have all these fees and stuff. I just want you to have the app, because when you see how easy it is to save money on things you're already buying, I think you're going to be a big fan of Save Club. And I think you'll eventually become an affiliate. If not, just say, screw it. I got $60. Let's just sign up right away, make some money, earn some money, save some money. Let's do it, honey. Okay, sound good? All right. Like I said, I'm showing you the back office. Okay? My membership. All you do is click that and it'll show you, do you join by the month or by the year? Okay, it's $19.97 a month. That's it. And if you want to join for the year, you're moved into the VIP status and you make the biggest commissions allowable by law. Okay. Or anyway, allowed with Save Club. That's what I did. I just joined for the year. That way, all the effort of doing a video like this and just posting things here and there on social media, I get the greatest amount of commissions I can put in my pocket. And we get paid every Friday. Okay. When you log in, you will have that mobile app available as well. And you can post. What I do is I post a picture of this QR code right on my Facebook, or you can do it on Instagram, TikTok. You don't know how to post on social media? Well, guess what? When you sign up as an affiliate, right here, this tab, it's right there. You click it. Now watch, check this out. Click the training portal. This is my favorite about being an affiliate. You get a bunch of free training, video, pictures. I'm talking thousands, guys. You're never going to wear yourself out by creating content, because the content's there. You just have to go ahead and upload it and make it fun. Do it every day. Do it 5 times a day. Do it 20, 30 times a week. It's up to you. Now, watch this little video. It just shows you and gives you tips on how to watch these training videos that I'm going to show you right here. Now, do these in order. And they're short little YouTube videos. But what I like is when you get down here, how to post on Facebook, how to find a group on Facebook, how to Instagram, how to TikTok, how to post on X, LinkedIn, and my favorite, YouTube. Just watch the videos. And if you have a laptop or a home computer, get a pen and paper out and just take notes. And if you don't understand something, just hit rewind. Okay, just do it a whole bunch of times. And remember, for $60, all you do is click the training tab right there on the left of your screen. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have live Zoom meetings. We have tons of pictures that you can upload right now to anywhere you'd like. Social media is always number one. Usually Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, those 3 alone dominate. Okay. Now we have a ton of video too. So if you don't want to do a video like I'm doing right now, don't worry about it. We have tons of 15-second videos, couple-minute videos. We even have webinars where you can invite people to watch a webinar. And at the end, you just put, hey, look below the video. Go ahead and click if you want more information about Save Club, or if you want to join as a member or an affiliate, or both. Okay? That's all you got to do. And I know I'm trying it might sound a little easy for me because I'm on this side of the camera and I've been doing this for a couple months, but I know you can do this. All right? Zero experience. That's okay. You're already probably TikToking or Instagramming or Facebooking anyway. And who knows what else on social media. So why not get paid? Now, back to the back office. My websites. Look at all these links here that you can use to recruit people. What I do is I use the power landing pages. My number one is right here. I've signed up 108 people, or 109. I think I got to sign up today right here. I just tell people to go to this link and watch. I'll click it and I'll show you. There it is. People watch this short little YouTube video. It's our founder, Charles, talking. People fill out this information, hit the orange button, and guess what? You're going to get more information about Save Club or open up the email to join. That's all I do. And look at how many other ones. They have a different version here, different version there. Look at this. This one specializes in people that dig the food. Here's people that dig the travel. How about a boss babe? All right, are you one of those badass boss babes? Well, watch this. This is kind of fun. Military wives, app customers. So many capture pages. And guys, they're all included for the price of $60. There is no, and there's more. Okay, we have AI technology, and guess what? When people start filling out, for example, here, and if they don't join, guess what? AI technology will call that person, or they'll text them or email them. Because right here, when you put your email, phone number, and name, it's up to you. And if you don't want to do anything with Save Club, don't worry about it. Just unsubscribe. We make it real simple. See, you guys come to us. We're not going to come knocking on your door during dinner time and invite ourselves in, unless we're hungry. Or you invite me in, and if you're having spaghetti or lasagna, how about enchiladas? I'm coming in. But other than that, I like this template, this system. I make it a routine, and all I do is get up and somehow make a video like this. Then I'll go to my email. I'll usually get something in my inbox on Facebook or one of my social media platforms. And then I simply just invite people to the links that I've been showing you. And there they are. Look at how many there are now. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's about 11. Okay, just pick one. Invite people to that link. And like I said, just send that person or invite that person to click it and let the funnel, whatever you want to call it, do all the heavy lifting, okay? Now, what I can do, I can go ahead and put in there we go. Let me move myself over to the left here. SaveClubFunnels.com. I want to end my video with this because if you want to join Save Club, you can go ahead and figure it out by going to SaveClubFunnels.com. But if you've already joined Save Club and you're stuck and you don't know what to do, I want you to look into the Save Club funnel. Okay? Just watch the video. That's all you have to do. So let me just show you on my screen. I'm going to put in Save Club Funnels. And remember, the funnels has an S. Okay? And I'll tell you what, this is how I've signed up 109 people, by inviting people to SaveClubFunnels.com. Go ahead, put your email in here, show me the video, and then just watch that 20-minute video. It over-explains Save Club, how to be a member, what's the affiliate fee, how do you go to a restaurant and save money on things. It does everything. It does all the explaining for you. Okay, so I'm a huge fan of just inviting people to a link. And that's what I'm doing right now. SaveClubFunnels.com. So guys, thank you. Peace, love. I'm going to go ahead and welcome you aboard if you join after watching my video. And subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I really appreciate when you watch my stuff, okay? All right, I'm out of here, guys. Peace and love. Have a good time. And get a hold of me if I can help you. SaveClubFunnels.com. And my email address is Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay, guys, that's it. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.